Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm your host MathStats and we are back with another video guys for you. And before we move on, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and if you're a new subscriber, put a comment below that says new subscriber, and I will do my best to mention you in the next video. Without any more delay, let's get active. Last time we actually did operation we did a horizontal vertical format of adding and subtracting polynomials, and today we're going to do the horizontal format. And so let's start by doing this right here. Let's say we have -2 ms squared minus 4 ms minus 12, and we're gonna subtract 5. We're going to subtract 5 ms squared minus 5 ms. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do the horizontal one. So I'm going to put that in actually. Let me see what color should I choose. I'm going to choose that. Okay. Let's say we're going to do this. So we're going to rewrite everything. So when you're doing the horizontal, you just rewrite everything without any parentheses, right? So it will be -2 ms squared minus 4 ms minus 12 minus, so that's a positive right here. So negative times positive is negative. So we're -5. Why do I keep writing the 5 like this? So that will be a -5, right? -5 ms squared, and negative times a negative is positive, so plus 5 ms. What would that equal to? So -2 minus 5. So that, remember, when you're adding or subtracting, you're basically adding, right? So -2 minus 5 is equal to -7, because it's -2 plus a -5. You're basically adding the same sign, so that's why it's equal to -7. So -2 ms squared minus ms squared will be -7 ms squared. -4 ms plus 5. So now you have -4 plus a plus 5, or plus a positive 5. So that basically 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So that will be plus ms, and -12, that's -12. And that will be your answer for this horizontal format. Now, apart from that, let's do another thing. We're going to add more, we're going to do what we called, we're going to name the polynomials. Let's say we have this polynomial called p of x, right? We got p of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, that's p of x. And then we have the second polynomial called r of x. Okay, and that's equal to oh man, that's equal to 3x5 minus 3x minus 7. And now what we're going to do is we're going to, let's say, we can do, let's find, right, p of x plus r of x. And then we're going to find p of x minus r of x. And then we're going to find p of negative 2 minus r of negative 1. And see what we're going to get from that part. And I think that's going to be it for today after this one. So let's see. What will be this part right here? What is p of, so we're going to have p of x plus r of x. So we're going to basically do 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 2. And we're going to add. Now we can do either the horizontal or vertical format. And I'm going to do the easiest way. Actually, no. Yes, I'm going to do the easiest way. I'm going to do the horizontal format. I'm going to subtract, or I'm going to add, right? 3x5 minus 3x minus 7. So that would be 3x3 plus 4x squared minus x minus 2 plus 3x power 5 minus 3x minus 7. So when we do polynomials, you always write the highest degree of exponent first. So in this case, 5 is the highest, so I'm going to put 3x5 plus 3x cubed plus 3x cubed, 4x squared plus 4x squared, negative x minus 3x is minus 4x, negative 2 minus 7 is minus 9. And this is p of x. So this right here is p of x plus r of x. Now let's do p of x minus r of x. Well, again, I'm going to write 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 2 minus 3x5 minus 3x minus 7. And so now I'm going to remove the parentheses. So I'm going to have 3. Ooh, that's not good. So I'm going to have 3x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 2 minus. So that's a positive right here. So minus times positive is negative. So it'll be negative 3x5. Negative times negative is positive 3x. And negative times negative is positive, so positive 7. And again, you always begin with the highest degree of exponent. So this is the highest one, so I'm going to write negative 3x5 and then plus 3x cubed, Okay, oops. Plus 3x cubed. And then we're going to have plus 4x squared. Now, negative x plus 3x is positive 2x. And negative 2 plus 7 is positive 5. And so this right here is your answer for p of x minus r of x. Now, guess what? We already have p of x minus r of x. So what we can do now, actually, this is p of x minus r of x, and now we want to do p of negative 2 minus r of negative 1. We can't just plug in that number into what we already have, which is the answer right here, which is that answer right here. Why? Because that would not give you the answer. So you have to first find p of negative 2, and then find r of negative 1, and then you can do the subtraction. So let's find first p of negative 2. So that would be what? That would be 3 negative 2 cubed plus 4 negative 2 squared minus a negative 2 minus 2. And then what is r of negative 1? Well, that would be 3, oops, that would be 3 negative 1 power 5 minus 3 negative 1 minus 7. So that's r of negative 1. So p of negative 2 is basically equal to what? 3 times negative 2 cubed is negative 8. So that's negative 8 plus 4 times 4 plus 2 minus 2. And r negative 1 is equal to 1. Negative 1 to the power of 5 is negative 1. So that will be 3 times negative 1 plus 3 minus 7. Well, p of negative 2 is equal to 3 times negative 8 is negative 24 plus 4 times 4 is 16, and 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, right? R negative 1 is equal to 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus 3, which is equal to 0, minus 7. So then p of negative 2 is equal to negative 8. And r of negative 1 is equal to negative 7. Therefore, p, actually, that's a different number now. Therefore, let me choose a different color. I'm going to choose purple. Therefore, oh no, I never did that actually. I'm going to choose that actually. Therefore, p of negative 2 minus r of negative 1 is equal to negative 8 minus a negative 7, which is what? Equals to negative 1. So p of negative 2 minus r to the negative power of negative 1 equals to negative 1. And that is your final answer. So guys, this is how you solve this problem right here. That's why I only did one example of that, because it would be very long. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel, and donate to the channel via my Cash App, my PayPal, and my Zelle. They are all in the description down below. And of course, you can check me out on TikTok and on Instagram, and that way you can help me grow my content so other people can actually be able to see it and understand as well. This is my stats. I hope to see you guys again. Until then, masters out.